I'm going to show you by using some spray cleaners. Now, when I was a mechanic in the 1960s, yeah, a long time ago, cars all had carburetors on them. You had to clean them all the time to keep them running right. But modern cars, heck, they're all fuel injected, so most people think, oh, everything's run by computers. Well, that's not true. Because over time, the mass sensors here and the throttles can get gunked up. So they need to make sure you use the right cleaners for doing it. In this case, I'm using the CRC mass sensor for the mass airflow sensor like this. You just unplug the sensor, and unscrew it, and then wiggle it and pull it out. And as you can see in here, the part here has a lot of dirt on it. There's also dirt inside, so you just spray it clean. You just spray it till all the gunk gets off of it. And also spray the inside on one side, then turn it over and spray the inside of the other side to back flush it. And now you can see how nice and shiny the chrome is here. The inside's clean too. Then let it air dry about 15-20 minutes before you put it back on. So we'll clean the throttle while we're waiting for that. Now the air box is in the way to get to the throttle, so we got to take the air box out of the way. Then we loosen the clamps of the other part and pull it off. Then when that's all out of the way, there's the throttle that we want to clean. You can see it's all dirty inside. Then you get your throttle body and air intake cleaner and start to clean it. Now do this on a cold engine, because you don't want to have any flames or anything. When it's cold, nothing's going to happen.